Hey, today I'll show you how to export for web a picture in Photoshop. So this image is 4K. It's extremely huge. I have this picture on my desktop and this is the original photo. Let's go to properties and it's extremely big. 1.5 megabyte. No, you can put that on a website. So let's see how can we export this picture for web. Don't lose the quality but make it a lot smaller. So there are two ways how to do that. To export the picture for web in Photoshop, go to file, then export, and you'll see here save for web legacy. Let's press on this one, and usually I will save them as JPEG. Save them how you want. The quality, I'll recommend you to leave it on high, because if you go all the way to the maximum, you will make this picture a lot bigger. And now let's downsize the resolution just a tiny bit. I think 12 on 80 by 1020, it will do it. Let's press on save it on desktop, and let's name it ASD, give it a random name, you can name it as you want. Now let's check the picture together and see how big this one is. Right click on it, show more options and properties, and now it's a lot smaller. 128 kilobytes, it's a lot smaller than 1.5 megabytes. Yes, it was 1.5 megabytes. You should put this on our website, not the bigger one. The second way how to get there into the same menu will be if you press Alt Shift Ctrl and S on your keyboard. This is a shortcut for this menu, and you can do the same thing. Quality on high, resolution downsize it to the one you wish, 1000 on 800. Press on save the picture where you want it to be saved, give it a name, then you can save. So this was the tutorial how to export the picture for web in Photoshop. I hope you have a great day.